a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so if you've been watching me as of late, for these type of videos, I like to give a subscriber shout out. And today's subscriber shout out is gonna go to my girl Yolanda Balls. Shout out to you, boo. I really, really do appreciate you. I appreciate all the love and support. Like, shout out to you, boo. If you are someone that is looking for a subscriber shout out, all you gotta do is make sure you comment and like on every video, and I will be giving you a subscriber shout out. Now let's get into this unit. Alright, y'all, so also for people that have been watching me, when it comes to these sort of units, and it's a unit that I caught my own coins, I like to give myself a shout out, honey, okay? I like to give myself a little shout out. So shout out to you, Christy, for copping this unit with your own coins. Like, go Christy, go Christy, go Christy. So shout out to me for copping yet another unit with my own coins. So the unit that I am rocking is by Sensational, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know how your girl feel about Sensational, honey.
Sensational.
So this particular unit, as I stated, is by Sensational. It is from their Butter Lace collection. It is from the makers of What Lace, and it is in the style Loose Deep 24 inches, and it is I have it in the color 1B. It says virtually HD lace, undetectable, and on the inside it says Loose Deep 24 human hair premium fiber blend, full body movement, virtual undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, natural and full maximum density, and then they have the available colors that this particular unit comes in. And then it shows you virtually undetectable HD lace. See the difference, and it shows you the difference between HD lace or the butter lace versus the normal lace. So I'm just gonna show you guys what this unit looks like on the stock card. And honey, oh girl sold this unit. Okay, she sold it. She sold it. She sold it to me. And then on the inside is just showing you guys the special colors, as well as like the hairline and her or whatever. And on the back is showing the normal lace versus the butter lace. Okay, so with this unit, it is called a loose deep, and I'm assuming that it's like mimicking loose deep wave hair, and to me it definitely does give that effect of a loose deep wave unit for sure. The HD lace is definitely HD style. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys kind of get into that. Get into it, girl. Okay, I didn't tweeze this unit whatsoever, and I want to go ahead and mention that with this particular unit, it's not a frontal. Okay, so it comes with the part, and you basically gotta go with it. So this part is a right side part. I'm not somebody that really gives a poop where the part comes, but I do know that some people do. They want to know, like, where is the part? Is it right or is it left? I'm telling you now, it's a right side part. Honey, don't ask me later in the comments. I'm telling you in this video because I'm not going to remember later on, okay? So, you guys are going to have to see in the video that this unit is a right side part. So, it is a right side part unit. It does come with baby hairs, but I decided not to utilize them, and the model is not utilizing the baby hairs either. I don't feel like this is a unit that you have to utilize the baby hairs unless you want to. I didn't, the model didn't, you know, like that is completely up to you, girl, but I don't, with this particular unit, I don't feel like it's necessary. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this unit, I do feel like, oh girl, does tangle some. I didn't really put my fingers through it a whole lot, but I do know that it's the type of unit that it is gonna tangle some. It kind of reminds me of, is D. Is it Sensational D? I don't know who made D. But it kind of reminds me of that sort of vibe. It's like not a unit that I want to put my fingers through a whole lot. But I feel like if you do put your fingers through it, it's going to tangle. As far as shedding, it really wasn't shedding straight out of the packaging, but that doesn't mean old girl won't do none of the things at some point. Like, be ready for old girl to shed. I want to throw that out there so you can't come for me later, okay? Right now, it's not shedding. That doesn't mean she won't. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs, other than whether or not this unit is big head friendly. In my opinion, this wig is big head friendly. I am an average cap size, although my husband would tell y'all that I am not. I am. Okay, I am definitely an average cap size. So in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly because I had to adjust the straps, and that's how I deem a unit to be big head friendly. If I have to adjust the straps, then I say it's big head friendly, but honey, take that with a grain of salt because I only got the head that's on my shoulders, okay girl? And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, if you're interested in hearing my pros and cons with this unit as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note, honey, okay? So my cons with this particular unit is the fact that I think it's expensive. I can't remember how much I paid for this unit, but I think it's more so on the expensive side, and it's not a frontal. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and look up the price. Let me look up the price. Okay, so I looked up the price of this wig, and that is definitely my con, okay? I looked it up, and this unit, I bought it from Wig Types, and it was $54.94. So that is my con with this unit because, oh girl, it's not a frontal, okay? Even with a frontal, that is kind of expensive, but it is really, really expensive when it's a frontal, when it's a lace part wig, okay? Especially because it's synthetica, okay? You guys know I love my syntheticas because I feel like when it comes to synthetic wigs, and if you're going to an event or you got an event planned, a synthetic is your go-to, okay? If you're not somebody who know how to do wigs, if you don't have anybody that can do your wig, the synthetica is the go-to. Syntheticas is definitely the go-to. The issue is that you're paying $60 for a synthetic wig that is not a frontal, okay? So that is definitely my con when it comes to this particular unit. Okay, so with my pros, this unit is still HD lace, okay? It's pre-styled. It looks great. It is the layers is layered to perfection. It is all of those things without you having to do those things. You know what I'm saying? So although it is on the expensive side, and that was my con, my pro with this particular wig is if you got an event, honey, this will be your go-to because it's nothing that you have to do with this wig. You can look really, really nice. The texture is really nice. It feels really, really natural. It has that human premium factor to it. So yeah, those are my pros with this wig. Like, you don't have to do the extra stuff that you would have to do to a human hair wig with this unit. She basically come pre-styled. You just gotta slap it on your head. Okay, so those are my pros with this wig. So, would I recommend, oh girl, I would recommend this unit if you have an event. If you have an event, you haven't been able to book a stylist, because honey, we know how that goes these days, okay? I've been reading online how the whole stylist thing is going these days. So say you have an event, you have prom for your daughter, or you have a company business event that you gotta go to, whatever. When it comes to events, I would definitely recommend this sort of wig because it is great for that one-time event. I don't have time to buy hair, book a stylist, and hope she show up. Okay? Hope that I can get it done. So yes, I would recommend it for that. But if you're just a regular, everyday, schmegular sort of girl, and you just want a cute wig, no. Because I don't feel like it's worth paying the money for a $55 wig that is a synthetic wig. Not in this climate, okay? So yeah, it just depends on what you got going on as far as this unit goes, in my opinion. You can let me know down below what your opinion is, but that's my opinion as far as would I recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 because honey, this is it. It's only 24 inches, so obviously I don't have to do a length check with this unit, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you own this unit. I know it is relatively new, but I'm usually late to the game, okay, these days as far as the synthetics go. So let me know if you own this unit and what you think. And if you think the same things that I think, let me know down below in the comments because your girl wants to know, honey, what's the tea? Keep me up to date, okay? Let me know down below. I will also have a direct link to this unit down below in the description box for your convenience in case you want to cop, oh girl, okay? In case you got an event to go to. In case your baby is getting ready to slay at prom and you like, girl, I'm not finna spend $800 on your head when I done spent thousands of dollars on your dress. In case that is the case, girl, I will have a girl listed down below for you down below in the description box. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button so it's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.